Good morning, guys. How we doing? It was like 19 degrees, a bit windy today. Got some snow flurries, so cloudy. Got the day off today, Friday, January 8th. Tomorrow Adrena is turning 10, holy cow. And I was thinking about a nice lazy morning, playing some video games and stuff. And I'm getting older, back hurts getting out of bed and stuff. I figured get some exercise in would be good for me. And I want to get more into hiking and winter hikes and stuff. Today I'm going up to Middle Sugarloaf. I had to park on the parking lot, the big parking lot on 302 that heads from Twin Mountain to Bretton Woods. Thinking that extra quarter mile. Total says 2.6 from the trailhead, but the trailhead is like a mile, 1.3 miles up Zealand Road. The gate at Zealand in the winter is closed, so this is the first time I've ever been hiking solo, which is kind of nice. I mean, sketchy if you get lost in the woods or anything, but I don't have anyone else to worry about slowing me down. I can go at my own pace. If you're watching this, just hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I know it doesn't really affect you whether you're subscribed or not. You don't have to pay for it, but it really helps me, helps the family, helps the channel keep growing. So anyways, I'm gonna get going, shut my mouth, show you good parts of the trail. Hopefully maybe it clears up a little bit, we get somewhat of a view. Let's get to it. This way. It's 1.2 miles. Come across this bridge here, and here's the trail head for North and Middle Sugarloaf. The Trestle Trail. Middle Sugarloaf, 1.3 miles up that way. If you ever have the choice to go get outside and go for a hike, biking, small hike, long hike, compared to sitting inside, all cooped up, definitely do that. I know, I mean, I love Call of Duty. I'd love to be, I wouldn't hate sitting home doing that, but I'd probably be just yelling at the TV, yelling at the people using the DMR, all mad for like 3 hours. Or I can be outside, going on a nice hike, exploring, and have a smile on my face, get to the top and see an amazing view. I definitely do not regret getting out of the house and doing this. So if you ever have the choice, get outside, go for a hike. So here we are at the fork, Sugarloaf Trail. Oh, that away. This thing is freaking massive. Holy crap. It's awesome. Here's a little bit of incline. Pretty nice so far. This is absolutely great. Literally just miles deep in the woods by myself. Pace yourself, Sonny. I always hate how on video you honestly can't tell how steep it is, but it's pretty steep. Tree. I made it. That's it. Yeah. All right. 2.2 miles in, almost an hour. I've actually stopped a few times. Nothing long, but put on my crampons, take my sweatshirt off and stuff. Now I'm at the split from North and Middle Sugarloaf. 0.3 that way is north, and 0.4 to the left is middle. Oh yeah. Oh, sun over there. We're probably... So after the stairs, you're at the top. It's a few feet, you're up top. You know, even though most of the big mountains are still sopped in, it still looks pretty cool up here. Sorry that it's not a super clear day. You can see everything, but holy crap, dude. This is freaking awesome. Took 2.6 miles total up here. This will be just over 5 when I get back. Just over an hour. Oh man, it's cool looking. You know what's gonna happen though? It's probably gonna clear up when I get down. Oh yeah, there's like the train way down there that you can go by in Twin. Woo! Right on the nipple. I want to go down that. Holy cow! I made it up. Feels good. That didn't take that long at all. It wasn't that difficult of a hike. I'm not in great shape or anything. I'm not like super out of shape. I climb up and down ladders all day. But Middle Sugarloaf on a clear day. This would be so freaking nice. But anyways, it's a cool spot up here. Good views for a short hike. So visit New Hampshire. You're in New Hampshire and haven't done it, check out Middle Sugarloaf hike. It's a-okay. I recommend. Looks like the sun's coming out. Probably this afternoon will be nice and clear and that'll be the time to hike, but you get what you get, you know? It's not always the destination, but the journey. Gonna have a celebratory drink, Twisted Tea, of course, given what's going on with Twisted Tea and everything. I feel like the sales are up and everything, and everyone just feels badass drinking a Twisted Tea, man, especially peach, right? Anyways, I'm gonna finish this drink, stare off into the distance, and then descend. Thanks for watching. If you are new here, please think about subscribing. That would be great. Give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more hiking videos. Thanks for coming in. Till the next hike, till the next adventure. Stay happy, stay weird.